How can I convert a series of PNG images to a video for YouTube? I have a sequence of PNGs. Here is one specimen, which I turn into a video with ffmpeg. With VLC it looks all nice and dandy, but on YouTube all I see is gray. Why? After a while a horizontal bar with colorful spots is shown. When I add pix_fmtu 420p to the command, then YouTube shows the clip correctly. But then the highest quality I can choose is 480p, which is too low for this purpose. ffmpeg output. I collected the information on my website, this URL.
YouTube expects your video to be H.264 encoded. If you use Lib264, stick to YouTube's encoding suggestions. Tips. Scale is a way to set quality, but scale alone is ambiguous. Use Scale column V for video and Scale column A for audio encoders that support it. Don't use this option unless you know what it means. X264 has a better option for setting quality, CRF. The constant rate factor is a constant quality encoding mode. Lower values mean better quality, but anything below 18 might not be visually better. The default is 23. But something like 20 would be better since YouTube re-encodes your video again. Pix_fmtu 420p should be used to enable 4:2:0 downsampling for the ping input, which usually isn't downsampled at all, 4:4:4, as observed in your output, and often contains an alpha channel. YouTube won't handle this correctly. R is not needed for setting the output frame rate, as YouTube will handle almost all frame rates anyway. When reading 10 images per second as input, changing the output frame rate to something higher, for example 30, will only duplicate frames, which is not necessary. S column V 1380 by 720 is a weird resolution. Think about using the native 16:9 720p resolution 1280 x 720, and regenerating your plots if necessary. This will spare you some trouble and letterboxing issues on YouTube, and sticking to unusual dimensions might prevent your video from being shown in full resolution or offered at the 720p quality setting. Use the MP4 container instead of MOV, which YouTube suggests you to use. MP4 is virtually identical in functionality to MOV, but it has better support in playback devices. In general, prefer that over MOV when you can.